Hey guys, welcome back to Flutter tutorial for beginners. Today we are going to learn about tab bar and bottom navigation bar. The basic feature of tab bar is that it lets you navigate to the different pages of your app using some sort of tabs. Now bottom navigation bar does the same thing, but it is fixed at the bottom of your app. Now before we start on actual bottom navigation bar, we have to create few more pages. So now let us just create one home page dot and account page dot and one more page. Let us just call it counter page. We will just move the counter which we have made from not from in previous videos. Okay, why? Okay, for a second my laptop lagged really badly. Anyways, let's just import material into all these three pages, material and import material. Now let us now let me just quickly create the pages which we have to navigate to. So let us just create stateful class. Yeah, or let us just for now let us stick to stateless widget. If we will have to, we will just convert it to stateful widget. So home page, and it will not have a container. Well, I will not like I will just like to have a center. Okay, and the center will have a child text, and text will say home. Okay, now let us just copy this. Let us paste it in the account. Let us call it account and rename this home as well. I should have just used find and replace, but now it's too late to do that. And just let me just control plus C, control plus V. Yep, perfect. And now let us just replace the my home to counter. Yep, perfect. Now let us just save all of these. Okay, I actually forgot the hotkey for save all. Let me just quickly have a look at it. Okay, it was control KS. Oh, okay, never mind. Now let us create one more dart file which we will name bottom nav bar not diary dot. Yep. And again let us import our favorite package, or let us now create a stateful widget because the state is going to change, and let us call it bottom nav bar. Okay, so in Flutter you actually have an option to have a bottom navigation bar, inbuilt bottom navigation bar, but I prefer to create my own tab bar and fit it in the bottom navigation bar of a scaffold. Let me just quickly show you how I do that. Okay, scaffold. Yeah, and before we actually just tick a provider state mixin. Okay, it will just allow you or have a provider to the animation controller which controls the animation of your bottom navigation bar indicator. It's just basically it will just help you to point to the current tab location or index. Now let us just create a tab controller, right? Yeah, and let us call it underscore tab controller because we don't want it to be accessed by any other state or any other class except for this class, right? So now let us have a init state in which we will initialize the tab bar controller. So let us just call it tab bar controller is equal to not tab bar controller, my bad. I don't know why I keep calling this tab bar controller. It's tab controller. and in length we will pass 3 because we have 3 pages: account, counter, home page, right? And we sync this. Basically, the current state or current page it is on. So this is possible because of this ticker provided state mixin. I'm sorry, I'm very bad at explaining theoretical stuff, but well, if you are interested in learning about it properly, you can actually go to the documentation site, which I highly recommend to. Now in scaffold, we will have a bottom navigation bar. So now in bottom navigation bar, as I said, we have a bottom nav bar, but I prefer to have my own tab bar. So tab bar, right? Yep. And let's pass on controller, tab controller, right? And have some tabs. And in tabs, well, in tabs you can see it's a list of widgets. So let us just have some widgets. Icon, not icons, icon. And icon we can pass icons dot, let us say home. Yep. Home icon, icons dot add, and icons dot person, or not, yeah, person is there. And now we have defined the bottom navigation bar. No, actually, you know what I will like to do, I will like to wrap this with a container, right? And in container I will like to have its height, let us say 56, width as, okay, let me tell you this double dot infinity. Basically it will just have this whole page. Now let us create a body. In body we will have tab bar view, and in tab bar view we will have a controller, right? Controller, and in controller we will again pass tab bar controller, right? And children, in children we can have home page, and when we will press enter it will automatically import the package for us, the home page. Okay, now similarly we will have all the 3 pages. Okay, what was again name? Counter, I guess. I don't remember. I don't know. No, I don't exactly remember. Oh, counter page. Okay, my bad, guys. How can I? Okay, fine. I don't know. My PC is not responding very well today. Counter page, and what was the third page name? Yeah, uh, excuse me. I really didn't mean to do that. Please. I just want to remove this unused import. I don't like to have the unused import in my files for some reason. And let us have account page. Yep. I hope I'm not messing it up somehow. I have a tendency to do that. Well, where's the main? And now in main we can, what's the main? Here it's the main. Okay, in main page we can have bottom. Okay, I forgot the name I actually gave. Let me just, yep, this was made by me. Okay, as you can see, we have some work to do over here. Like we have, like it's working. You can also use this slider to slide. Well, we have to work on the indicators. Not indicator is working fine. Let us see what's going on over here. Okay, so let's have some decoration for the bottom navigation bar, right? That's why I wrapped it in a container. Box decoration, colors dot deep purple. Wait, what color have I used in the counter page? Let me just see. Oh, a deep purple accent. Okay, sometimes I forget the name of the things I keep on using. And as you can see, we have successfully have the indicator over here. Okay, my emulator is a lot laggy today, so it's working well. We can also have one more thing over here in tab bar. Let's see if we have some more feature. In tab bar, indicator color or automatic indicator color adjustment true. Okay, let it be because it's pretty nice to have. What am I actually looking here is indicator color. Let's have colors dot transparent. Yep, sorry guys, yeah, as you can see now it just turns white, right? It looks pretty decent now. Okay, excuse me for the cut. So where were we? Okay, yeah, we had implemented this tab bar, right? Now let us add an basic indicator, and we can see indicator is of type decoration. So we can have a box decoration inside it, and let us say the decoration and colors dot white, and we don't want like just whole white, so we can directly use this, let's say 30, and let us just reload the app, and we can see there's a bit more white indicator as well. Well, we can have one more stuff, border radius dot circular, let us say 12. Hopefully this, okay, not the best. Anyways, I hope you get the idea how to implement this bottom navigation bar. This is it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you're new here, then consider subscribing. I will be making more videos like this. So see you next time. Goodbye.